What if the future of computing depends on measuring signals, almost too weak to measure? I'm passionate about quantum computing because it's gonna be a so big change. It's like the electricity of this millennium. Quantum computer is basically like normal computer, but instead of using classical bits, it uses qubits, quantum states, for shortcuts in computation. To operate and measure qubits precisely, you need to get rid of all of the noise photons. Sometimes when I'm thinking about a new problem, it's good to get all the noise out, It takes a lot of nerves, and there's been a lot of setbacks. For years we were struggling, building working sensors. Of course it's a big team effort. So many students, postdocs have worked on this. We squeezed down the sensor to a micrometer length, less than the size of your blood cell. When the sensor is extremely small, even a single or a few photons that get absorbed raise the temperature a lot. And that's how we can measure the tiniest powers. In the long run, quantum computers will change all the industries. It's not just faster computing, it's allowing us to solve problems never solved before. My name is Mikko Möttönen, and together with my team, I developed a cryogenic microwave sensor for quantum computing.